Looking down from 20,000 feet, the fields are spangled specks beneath my seat. As the mountains fade, the memories made, they all evaporate. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. The grand terrain is turning gray and cold. My comfy home is now threadbare and old. With a parachute, a quick reboot, can I escape my fate? Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. It's wheels down in my hometown again, and everything is just as it had been. In the days before the sandy shore was spread beneath my feet, everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. My callow heart was once so full of dreams, but somehow I got lost in the machine. How did I become the very one that I could never take? Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. Looking up to see the endless stars inside every mind. If you look, you will find there's a child who never grew old, who sings to the trees like nobody can see, with a fire that never went cold. He looks up to the stars and the moon and at Mars and the endless expanse of the sky, devoid of all doubt, just a question of how to climb up to the heavens and fly. But time is advancing, a drip then a flood. He's adrift while you're stuck on the shore. And he sails away to the depths of our brains. And we can't seem to dream anymore. With the passing of days, we get lost in the maze that we built out of habit and fear. The longer we run, the more lost we become as the days disappear into years. When we're sleeping in bed, the child in our head is reminding us how to break out. But the moment we wake, he just up and escapes, and we're back to the fear and the doubt. But the answer's inside us, it never did leave. We just never believed it before. Well, I'm done with the maze for the rest of my days. I'm not wasting my dreams anymore. No, I'm not wasting my dreams.